Good day to all. I am K.Bakiyaraj, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of MBA at Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss a topic about categories of information system. So as earlier we were discussed about what do you mean by the term as information system. So the as the information system has to be collected through by the various sources in what via has to be collected. So now basically the information system to be categorized into three different structures. One is the structured, the second one is semi-structured, and the now third part is about the unstructured. Or instead of the structures, the work to be allotted as transaction processing system. Second one is about the semi-structured, about the management information system. So unstructured has to be declared by decision support system. So basically categories of IS to be classified into three formations. One is the operational management, that is transaction processing system, tactical management, that is about the management information system, and the third one is about strategic management, that to be mentioned as decision support system. And now we are going to elaborate how the system has to be categorized. So first one is about transaction processing system, is we call it as a TPS system. Handling the TPS is denoted has handled the day-to-day business transactions, handle the high volume of the routine transactions to ensure the operational efficiency and data accuracy. So how the organization has to be categorized into what are the different levels. So basically the transaction processing system to be undertaken by the top operational level. For example, for the frontline staff members. For example, for this case, that is point of the scale system is retail in the processing sales of transactions, and next one is the payroll system for calculating the employees wage and the salary. The next one is about the management information system. So management information systems, we talk about the provide the summarized report and insights from the transactional data to the support of the middle management in monitoring and controlling the operations. And the next one is about the what are the department to be undertaken by the middle level management information system, that is organization level is the middle level management. For example, sales performance reports to be summarizing monthly revenue trends. So inventory management systems tracking the stocks level and record our needs. The third one is about decision support system. So decision support systems to be defined by the third level categories, that purpose is to be assist in the complex decision making by using the analytical models and data analytical tools. And basically this decision support system has to be undertaken by the middle level to the senior management. For example, financial forecasting tools for the budget scenarios and supply chain optimization systems to be analyzed by the logistics options. And the fourth one is about the enterprise resource planning systems. So define the ARP as enterprise resource planning is a one kind of the database where it is storing the data from the entire massive crowd is said to be as an ERP. So the ERPs integrate the core business process across the various departments, various different categories of the department is said to be as an ERP. For example, the finance, the HR, the supply chain into the unified system is associated with the enterprise resource planning. And basically this enterprise resource planning systems to be carried out by organization wide, that is all level of people to be integrated to preparing this enterprise resource planning system. For example of ERPs, SAP or Oracle ERP for managing the finance and the HR and the inventory systems. And next one, the Microsoft Dynamics of 365 for the integrated business operations. It is one example case for the ERP software. Fifth one is about the customer relationship management, that is CRM systems. So this CRM system is mainly useful for this called operating for the marketing team members. It is CRM system. Majority they are using the CRM concepts. The purpose of the CRM system is to manage the customer interactions, the sales and marketing to improve the customer satisfaction and retention. And basically this CRM to be employed by the operation level and middle level management of the sales and marketing teams. For example, Salesforce for the tracking customer leads and interactions, and HubSpot for the managing marketing campaigns and customer supports. That's the division CRM systems. And next one is supply chain management systems. The purpose of the supply chain management to be flow of the goods and services of the information from the suppliers to the customers. And basically this system has to be implied by the operational level and middle level management. For example, SAP supply chain management for the inventory and the logistics. In Oracle, SCM Cloud for the suppliers collaborations for the demand planning systems. And the last one is about business intelligence system. So what do you mean by the business intelligence system? The purpose to be analyze a large data set to be provide the actionable insights for the strategic and tactical decisions. For example, for the organization level, middle level to the senior management. For example, for the business intelligence system is about the Tableau for visualizing the sales and the marketing trends, the Power BI for the analyzing the operational performance. So this is what is how the BI is to be categorized into different manners, the first phase, second phase and third phase. Thank you so much for this attention to this matter. Thank you.